Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a crazy couple of days, I'm sure we all can agree, but I'm glad that you're here for part 2 of my collective Christmas home decor haul. And today's video is going to be items from the Dollar Tree. I've found quite a few new Christmas items I'm excited to share with you guys, so sit back and relax. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. If you're interested in seeing what I've picked up recently, then just keep watching. So I'm going to show you a few items that I got, quite a few items that I got from Dollar Tree. But I want to show you guys this because I'm going to be doing quite a few DIYs on my channel. I am so excited about Christmas this year. I mentioned before I didn't get to do Christmas on my channel like I wanted to last year. So I'm just excited about it this year. I have so many DIYs that I want to share with you guys. A few of you have actually mentioned to me that, you know, you want to see like what I'm going to do this year as far as, you know, DIYs and making things and all that stuff. So I'm excited that you're excited. If you want to DIY along with me, then I'm going to show you some of the materials that I've picked up already to be able to you know, do these projects that I want to do. So take notes, okay? And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is this reindeer. How cute is he? I've seen this reindeer at Dollar Tree for years, actually, and I've never purchased it myself, but it comes in silver, gold. I think they usually have a red one also, but again, silver and gold, you know, it's my color scheme. But I may actually change this whole thing completely, but I'm going to turn this, or I may keep it this way. I don't know. But I'm actually going to turn this into something different. Stay tuned. But yeah, so if you're interested in that, then go ahead and pick up one of these at your Dollar Tree. I picked up two of these hanging, like hanging tags, pictures. I picked up two of these. So this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. That is like one of my favorite sayings at Christmas time because it's so true. And especially, you know, this year we all need a little more cheer. So I think that's part of the reason I'm so excited about Christmas this year as well. It's just like a breath of fresh air is coming around. So, but it's a beautiful picture on here. I'm not sure that I'm even going to use this for the picture. I may just use it for this side to decorate how I want to. Not quite sure just yet, but yeah, so I picked up the other one, the other print. This one says home for the holidays. And I picked up a pack of this poster board. You get 4 pieces in here. I know that this seems so random, but I have a DIY in mind. And while I was out doing all this like Christmas shopping, Christmas decor shopping, it gave me so much inspiration, so many ideas for things that I could DIY myself. So that's why some things I didn't even bother to pick up because I was like, I can make that myself. I can make that myself. So yeah, I picked up this pack of poster board, and you do get 4 in a pack. This is found in the school supply section at Dollar Tree. Okay, so in this next bag from Dollar Tree, I have a set of Christmas cards. Now in here you get 14 Christmas cards and the white envelopes. It says you get 1 design, but then I was like, I saw someone else that had a pack that theirs had like different designs on them. So you may be able to get them with different designs, but this is what this card looks like. And it just says, Happy Holidays, wishing your family a very Merry Christmas is what it says on the inside. I thought this was really pretty, a nice, beautiful, snowy scene. I always love to see that at Christmas time. And then, you know, I thought, who knows how Christmas is going to go this year? Are family going to get together, be able to get together this year? Are we, you know, so I figured I might be sending out a lot of Christmas cards this year. I don't know, but I wanted to be prepared just in case. Dollar Tree has fake snow. They carry snow spray now. Never seen that before at Dollar Tree, so was excited to see this. I picked up one of these. Then I picked up 2 of these ice buckets. So these are found like in the party aisle with all of the like platters and things like that. Got 2 of these. I'm actually going to use these as, I have like mini trees, and I'm going to use these to sit the mini tree down in. And then, you know, how cute would that be to have as the base of your Christmas tree? So if you have like a little tabletop tree or something and you don't want to use like a tree skirt, you can sit it down in here. And I think that would be cute. And again, of course, my color scheme is, you know, silver and gold. So I thought this would be a nice and also kind of glam way of, you know, styling your mini trees. Okay, next from Dollar Tree. Next from Dollar Tree, I have a new coffee mug. It's a tumbler, I guess you would call it. Yeah, it's a tumbler, but how cute is this? And it says Winter Wonderland. And the print is on both sides, but they've never done these cups in this like foiled look. So they had some red ones, they had green ones, and they had some red ones. I'm not for sure. I can't remember what other colors or what other styles they may have had. I do know that the red one had a different saying on it, but I really like this green color with the trees and everything, so I picked up this cup. And then I picked up some of these metal or tin containers, and these will be good to put like cookies in if you have some leftover you know, cookies that you baked for Christmas, a Christmas party, or, you know, whatever. How cute is this? It says North Pole Tree Farm. I actually saw another YouTuber take the lid off of this, and she put it in a picture frame and used this as a picture, and it looks so cute. So I'm gonna try that myself. I believe it was a like 5x7 frame that she used. So I'm going to try that myself and see if it works. But I did pick up another cookie tin, and I got this one that has the gingerbread on it. And I definitely want to use this in my kitchen because I'm going to be doing kind of a gingerbread theme in my kitchen this year. I hadn't done that before, but I'm so excited about it this year, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going crazy with the gingerbread. It's just different for me because I've never decorated with gingerbread before. So I don't know, maybe next year I'll add to the gingerbread collection. But yeah, I thought these were just really, really cute. And I told you guys that I picked up some more nutcrackers. Well, I got these from the Dollar Tree. Now, I plan to DIY these. I've seen someone completely like redo these. So these aren't my color scheme at all. But, you know, you can paint them whatever color you want them to be, right? So that's what I plan to do. And so I just went ahead and picked up 2 of these at Dollar Tree. Okay, and we are almost done. If the lighting looks different in here, it's gotten dark outside. It was afternoon time, but I had to take a break and take some phone calls and things like that. It's dark now, so if the lighting looks different, that's what it is. So we're almost done, down to the last bag now, and I picked up some of these boxes. Now again, if you're going to be DIYing right along with me this year, then you'll want to go to Dollar Tree and look for some of these boxes. These are like a cardboard box. The lid comes off. They're actually really cute. It's a different color on the inside. This is what the lid looks like. Has a Santa Claus on it, but I am going to be trying to DIY this. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, stop by your Dollar Tree and see if you can find something like this. And I did pick up a smaller box as well. I also picked up one of these white microfiber super soft cloths. You find these in the automotive section at Dollar Tree. It just looks like this. It's white, and it has kind of a like soft, fluffy kind of feel to it. And I picked this up. I really need like 2 or 3, maybe 4 of these. I'm not for sure, but this is for a DIY. So I do need more of these. I can only find one at the store, so I'm going to be checking back periodically. But again, if you're going to be DIYing along with me, then pick up some of these. The last bit of Christmas that I have to show you guys is these right here. And these are DIY LED paper houses. They look like this. And they come with, well, this one is the candy shop, and it comes with the little tea light candle in there as well. Now, I'm going to DIY this also, and so I picked up 2 of these, and I thought these would make a cute little like Christmas village, but this is what this one looks like. It's like a church. And then the other one was the candy shop right here. So yeah, I'm gonna DIY these. I've never used these before, but stay tuned for that. If you're interested in this, then stay tuned. Go pick up some of these so we can craft together. But I wanted to mention that Dollar Tree does carry the miniature houses, so you can create your own Christmas village if that's something that you want to do. They are plastic, but yeah, you can definitely pick those up as well. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I just wanted to come on here and just show you some of the things I've been picking up recently, and also show you some of the DIY and crafting supplies that I've picked up. So if you want to craft along with me, then you'll have the supplies that you need, and get them before they're sold out at the store. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit more laid back and kind of chill. I feel like I'm in a chill mood today. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give me a comment down below. Let me know, are you going to be crafting along with me? And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay safe and wear your mask and use your hand sanitizer. Bye.